Introducing the 12mm pipe mounting double pilot operated check valve, VBPDE-2CEXC, a versatile and robust solution for hydraulic applications requiring precise control over reverse flow. This double pilot operated check valve is specifically designed for pipe mounting in hydraulic systems, ensuring smooth and safe fluid management. The valve works by preventing reverse flow unless a pilot signal is applied to either port, which then opens the valve and allows fluid to pass in the reverse direction.
The VBPDE-2CEXC model features a 12mm pipe mounting system, making it ideal for applications where compact, reliable performance is needed. Its design ensures backflow is prevented during standard operation, while pilot control allows for controlled reverse flow when necessary.
This valve is widely used in systems such as hydraulic presses, load-holding circuits, and clamping mechanisms, where precise control over hydraulic pressure is essential.
The valve's internal structure features a pilot piston that responds to applied pressure, opening or closing the flow path based on system requirements. This gives users full control over their hydraulic circuits, ensuring efficient, safe, and reliable operation.